Gala Games is at the forefront of a global industry that's expected to double in just the next couple of years. What that means for the Gala Games price prediction going forward is absolutely insane. So make sure you stick around to the end of the video to find that out. Welcome to the Road to a Crypto Millionaire series, where we look at the very best crypto tokens that you need in your portfolio if you want to become a crypto millionaire in the next couple of years. So if that sounds good, guys, hit the like button, hit subscribe, and let's get on with today's video. So guys, before we jump into the nitty-gritty stats and figures about why Gala Games is such a phenomenal investment, you can just jump across to the website. If you're not sure what Gala Games is or Gala Gaming is, maybe you don't have any interest in gaming, that's fine, I don't really either, but I do have interests in investing in projects that I think will show the best potential. Gala Games has been around for a little while. It basically focuses on creating high quality gaming content that is focused around good quality gameplay, but also with the ability to earn money while gaming. So that might be through having different characters, developing that character, maybe buying different items and then selling them on later at different prices, completing challenges, etc. And loads of different types of games to suit all different people, which means it doesn't put all its eggs in one basket. Like, for example, if you were to invest in a game, if that game fails, then you might struggle. But Gala Games has lots of different games, some will do better than others, but ultimately the whole community is what shows the potential for massive growth. See, it's propped up on 4 different things like gaming, film, music, and then Galaverse by a number of different celebrities. For example, Snoop Dogg. Also got other associations with other huge brands as well. Now, jumping across to CoinMarketCap, what's very cool is you can select different categories. And if we look into the GameFi or gaming token space, then we got a number of different tokens here, of which you've probably heard of, and we got Gala Games down here, a little bit further down the list. And there's a little bit further down the list, which is good because it means it's got more room for growth. Currently a market cap of 395 million, which might seem very big, but if we look at a chart later on, you'll understand that in the past it's been way bigger than this, and potentially will be way bigger than where it was in the future. So if we're looking for a 10x, can we see a 10x? Well, for a 10x here, we would be looking at this having a market cap just shy of $4 billion, which we know is possible because it already happened in the past. And we could potentially then say, well, would it be worth more than 10 billion, 20 billion in the future, which would give this a potential like 15, 20x? Well, yes, I still believe that that is more than possible. And I want to look into this global video games revenue, 2020 to 2030. Gaming has already outgrown things like television. It's already massive and will continue to grow as we go forward. In the past, owning gaming equipment was a bit of a luxury because it was expensive and not many people had access to it. But as the world develops, more and more people around the world have more disposable income that they can then go and spend on things that allow them to game. Also, because of the rise of the mobile phone and the games that you can play to earn on mobile, has also seen a huge surge in the revenue. Now, what else is amazingly exciting when it comes to Gala Games is this image over here from Bitcraft. You can see the traditional gaming platforms in 2021 to 2025 is projected to grow around 9%. Is projected to see annual growth rates moving up around 9%. Augmented reality, virtual reality, going to go up 30%. But when you look into blockchain gaming, guys, it's going to go from around 1.5 billion in 2021 and it's projected to reach 50 billion in 2025. Yes, we are now in 2023, and you would have said that we are already partway through that. But that's the growth we've seen so far, and we're going to see even further growth going forward. And since Gala Games is at the forefront of pretty much the gaming world when it comes to blockchain gaming, this is why I'm super excited about the potential prospect that Gala offers us. Jumping across the charts, and before we look at Gala, I just want to show you Bitcoin. Obviously, guys, we had a big meeting yesterday with the Federal Reserve, Jerome Powell, making a speech that was more dovish than hawkish. This means that they're looking to reduce the level of interest rate hikes throughout this year, although there will continue to be interest rates going up. This has meant that Bitcoin has continued to push towards the upside, and the DXY, or the US dollar index, has managed to just breach this extremely strong piece of support. Now, the DXY has basically operated in the opposite direction of Bitcoin, so it's basically been causing Bitcoin to fall as the US dollar has been going up. And now we've seen the DXY breach this level. We would expect the DXY to continue to fall lower, and that means that Bitcoin will surge higher, forcing the entire crypto market higher as well. As more money flows into Bitcoin and crypto, it will then start to flow into all the altcoins as well. And if we look into this crazy looking Gala Games chart, you can see that in the last few weeks, we have seen a bit of a push towards the upside, moving approximately 250% in a very short space of time. Now, obviously, we could see a little bit of a retrace from where we are at current levels, But that's not necessarily a problem because Gala Games sees back towards the all-time high of 15x. So that means that if you put in $100, you're going to see $1,500 out, and $1,000, $15,000. That's pretty good news in anyone's mind, if you ask me. But I want you to think about where the global gaming market was at this point. Obviously, a lot of people had flowed into crypto, and a lot of people were kind of excited about the prospect of online gaming. But I've just shown you the stats about the growth of online gaming, the growth of blockchain gaming, and where we're likely to see that move. If we're expecting the annual growth rate to extend to $50 billion, and then will continue to accelerate into the future, then you can only imagine where Gala Games is going to go in the future. And I'm going to show you a Fibonacci retracement where we'll take the swing high and drop it down to the swing low, and then we will look towards the 1.618. The 1.618 gives us a good idea of a potential target price from current levels into the future. That would be a push of 2,220%, which would be a 22x on current investment. So putting in just $1,000 right now would leave me with $22,000 up at this point. And obviously we could potentially see a bit of a pullback in the price right now, but any platform that's realistically survived through this bear market after the fall of FTMO, the fall of Celsius, and so many others, you would understand that pretty much anything, particularly within an industry such as GameFi, which is at the forefront of the growth of the massive global gaming industry growth, is pretty much one of the best places to be putting your money. In my opinion, that's not financial advice. Go away and do your own research. And this is why, if you haven't got perhaps a huge amount of capital to invest and you are looking to invest in crypto, this is somewhere I would be looking to put it from my own point of view. Because the likes of Bitcoin, you might see a 4x, you might see a 5x. But we do know that if you see a 5x in Bitcoin, the likes of Gala are going to see 50x's, potentially even more, in my opinion. That just goes to show the power of investing in different altcoins rather than investing in the large market cap likes of Bitcoin, etc. If you're looking for a good place to go and buy your tokens, or head across to Fairdesk, link down below in the description, where you'll be able to get VIP status, which is going to give you a massive reduction on the fees that you'll pay for spot trading. You can also get a bonus upon deposit that's an actual real bonus. You can use this for day trading, and you can also use it for copy trading, where you can go and copy experienced traders in order to make profits when they make profits. Obviously, guys, there's a potential risk there, even when copying other people, so be very cautious if using any money that you can't afford to lose. Obviously, nothing I've said today is financial advice. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, hit that thumbs up button for me. And if you're new to the channel and you want to see my next video, which is going to be another insane gainer, then make sure you hit subscribe, and I will see you in the very next video. Bye-bye.